Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our Bronco door armrest options for the 68 to 77 Broncos. After 50 plus years, the original armrests on your Bronco are most likely sun damaged or have wear and tear or may even be missing. Dennis Carpenter offers two color options for replacing the armrest on your classic Bronco. Made exactly like the originals, they feature the factory correct textured design and correct molded details. We offer both the right and left sides, and they are available in black or parchment. They perfectly match our rear seat armrests, which are also available separately. Replacing your armrests will give your Bronco restoration that factory fresh look. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.